Key competences, that is another thing that I want to explain, because I think in the digital transformation that we're in, we need to have at least like 3 key concepts and competences on our mind. The first one is you need to know what is like actually like the way how you learn. Learning to learn is one of the competences that a lot of people are not really aware of. So how do you learn actually? How do you learn that you really remember the stuff? You know, like storage is not a problem. We can put like loads of information, and actually we're gonna absorb every single day a lot of information. The thing is like, how can we retrieve the information when we need that? So that's the thing that you need to find out. Is it that you learn through visuals, because you know that like your images somehow they work better with your brain? Is it that you need to write stuff down? Is it that you need the old traditional way of like repetition, and you need to repeat the concept? So that's like something that you should need to think about. Again, it's about increasing self-awareness and understanding how you actually learn. So that's the first one. The second one is resilience. What does that mean? That means, how can you stand all the pressure that we get every single day? And it's not just the intellectual point that we get like loads of information, it's also like the emotional pressure that we have. So with the pressure in teams and organization, even as sole traders and freelancers, we need to do so many different things, and we sometimes really, it feels overwhelming. And the question is, how do you balance yourself out? How do you be really strong when it comes to a lot of things that you need to handle? So resilience, that's the way how you somehow react and how you manage pressure. It's like your resistance on doing stuff that is complicated and complex, and you handle that. So that's the second one. And the third one is volition. What does it mean? That's actually like your willpower. Because you know, we're all creatives, we all have ideas, and it's super easy to have ideas. But what's the worth of an idea? Well, it's actually like the worth of the box where you put your idea. Volition is the willpower to implement. That's the key value. How many ideas have you really implemented? How good are you in implementing your ideas that you have on your brain? You know, if it stays in your head, you're dead. So try to get it out and try to somehow do the stuff. Implementation, and even if you have the concept on prototyping on your head, where you say, okay, look, we break it down, we start off doing the stuff, but we implement. This is how you have impact. So if you want to strive in the creative economy, if you want to be part of this digital transformation we're in, understand how you learn, what type of learner are you, understand the competence of resilience, and understand the competence of volition, the willpower to implement your ideas.